Do you know that you can actually make $150 with the help of Google and artificial intelligence? And everything in less than 30 minutes. If you believe so, then let's get started. Hello y'all, my name is Ruki, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online and offline. So let's get started. Step 1 is to go to Google and search for googlenews.com. Once you're at googlenews.com, you want to find top trending news in the US. It will bring us the top trending news. Step 3 is to go to a website called SEO Writing and create an account. It's free, just enter your information. It's totally free, just enter your information. Step 4 is to go to ChatGPT and type in something like, give me top 10 ideas that will be useful for bizarre and entertainment story based on true events. It will give you different useful ideas that you can use. Then step 5 is to take one of those ideas and go back to step 3, which is using AI tool to get the work done for you. This AI tool will generate any title as long as you are inputting the right keywords. It will give you very searchable title and high-ranking title. Then select how many images you want to include and how many YouTube videos you want to include in the article. Step 6 is to go to Google and search for the same actual event and go to Google Images to look for a bizarre image from the actual event. Let's go with the black and white image because it is very creepy compared to the colored image. So now going back to SEO Writing, as you can see, it has an article for us to use and it is about 4,000 words. Nice image generated, searchable keywords and well-arranged words. So all you need to do is just to go over here, copy and paste the words. You can paste it on your notes or anywhere that you want to paste it. And that leads us right into step 7, which is to make money with this. And we have a lot of websites to help us to do that. But the first one we are going to use on today's video is Listverse. Listverse is a website where you can get paid to write. You can get paid as much as $100 to write an article. So what you are going to do is to go to Google and search for Listverse. Then come to this page that says write and get paid. When you click on it, it will take you here where it tells you the do's and don'ts. As you can see, it says get paid $100 to write. It will ask you to provide your PayPal account information so they can send your funds once your list gets accepted. So go to submit a list. Input your name, your email address, your PayPal email address, and interesting information about you. And enter the list title and content. Remember what you copied from SEO AI Writing. Just take that one and paste it. They will get back to you in 3 days if your list is approved or not. I started using Listverse back in 2023 November. This is one of my first articles. So this one, they responded to me in less than 3 days after I submitted the list. So if your list gets approved, you receive a token of $100 in your PayPal account. But if your list gets rejected, then you have to write it again. So imagine that 3 of your lists get approved in a week. Do the math. So another way to make money with SEO Writing is to search for the title on Google again and search for any article that talks about that same event in the past. For example, this one right here talks about the same event. Then copy and search the link on ShrinkMe. ShrinkMe pays you when someone clicks on your link. As you can see, there are a lot of people that makes money here, $5, $10, $7. So register an account here and click on shorten link to get your link shortened. Then paste to the blog article and click shorten. It will give you the short version of the article found on Google. You can have access to withdraw your money as long as you input the right information and you meet ShrinkMe requirements. And for you to make ShrinkMe requirements, you have to have at least 500 people to click on your link. If 500 people click on your link, you get paid $5. If 1,000 people click on your link, you get paid $10, and so on and so forth. This is a cool way to make money to me as long as you are ready to work smart and put in the work. So guys, that brings me right into the end of this video. I hope that you gained something. I hope that you learned something. And don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.